Are you gonna extend it again next year?
Well, according to the military, the martial law has helped in the peace and order situation. And it has dissuaded the terrorists from inflicting their usual violence against the population.
So, will you now lift the martial law proclamation?
As I said, if it is helping the population is not even opposing it. So, to my mind, there is a need to extend it.
Extend it until next year? Because, sir, until the end of the year na lang.
But
siya,
as according to the president, that will depend on the advice, the recommendation of the military, because they are the ones on the ground.
Okay, last question, Ina.
Sir, last May there was a sort of a confusion on the president. Akala pupunta po siya ng Marawi to visit dahil dun, that's when the siege started. And then we were told that hindi daw po totoo yun na pupunta si Pangulo doon because he instead plans to go to the anniversary of the liberation, which was yesterday. I was wondering why that didn't push through, why the president didn't go there.
Yeah, because it conflicted with certain schedules that occurred yesterday or the other day.
No, I was just wondering because Marawi is an issue very obviously close to the president's, part of the president's priorities. He didn't show up during the liberation.
Oh, but he's not attendance doesn't mean that he was not interested. In fact, he's been doing a lot of things for the rehabilitation of that place.
Has he told you anything about Marawi recently?
No.
Thank you, sir.
Nestor.
Sir, clarification lang. You mentioned that there's a need to extend martial law because it has been helping in the security in Mindanao. Is this the official stand of Malacanang?
Again, as I said, that will depend on the recommendation of the military. The president always heed the advice and recommendation of the military and the other police forces there, because they're the ones who are knowledgeable on the conditions existing there.
But you mentioned there is a need to extend. So, meaning...
What I'm saying, there is a need to extend if that particular martial law would be helpful in maintaining peace and order. Because if it does not, then why do you have to maintain it?
But Secretary, are there proposals in the cabinet or at least in the security cluster to extend martial law? May mga ganung suggest? Wala pa.
There is no suggestion. The president always waits for the recommendation of the military.
Okay, thank